yet another session. Hopefully we'll be able to explain some things, you'll be able to get some value from today's. Now the thing is, I don't really intend to be here for long today. I just wanted to put up some charts, so you see what I'm trading and possibly have the opportunity of communicating some stuff to you. Okay, so let's go. Now the chart you're looking at now is a trade I took earlier on, which obviously members of our Telegram community also participated in. As it says there, you can always join us on Telegram, for more of such trade setups and trade signals. Okay, so let's go. I'm just going to quickly explain this. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute, guys. My internet connection is being very slow today, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, now I believe some of you here now or today have been following our stream for some time. You see that the results have been quite good. Let's be modest. Today has been another profitable day. I mean, I basically only took the one trade today. I don't tend to do a lot of trading over the weekend. I tend to do very light trading. Well, not over the weekend. I suppose I'm tired for the day. I tend to do a lot of trading during the course of the week, but on Fridays, it's limited. It's limited on Fridays, but let's just go through what we have here. Let's just go through what we have here since I have this out of the way. If you're watching, feel free to let me know where you're trading from or viewing from. I'm viewing from the UK, of course. Of course, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. The thing is, I only tend to do proper live trading and analysis and all, on over on Tuesday. Sorry guys, I'm not quite with it today. I've got so much on my plate, but I thought I'll just quickly come on and show you guys this anyway. So bear with me if I'm getting my words all muddled up. All right, let's compose myself. Let me compose myself. Okay, so basically, I don't tend to trade heavily on Fridays. It tends to be very light trading. This is the one that we got into this morning. I posted it in the Telegram group, in the VIP Telegram group, that is, for the members to take. And you can see where we got in here. This is basically where we are believing that the trade will get to, but we'll see. I mean, obviously the whole idea now is you should have moved your stop loss if you got in this trade. Now we got in here, it's currently done about 50 pips. Woo! On the Friday, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's done about 50 pips. Ideally, you would have moved your stop loss. Now, I always say, obviously, if you understand what this box is, the position box, this is how we intend the trade to go. I posted, a brief explanation on the Telegram group today, just to explain, because not everybody knows, exactly what, this box means, and what I basically said was, was that, when you see this box here with the red bit and the green bit, I mean, obviously sometimes, the red bit is at the bottom and the green at the top. But if you see this box, which is called or known as the position box, it basically indicates which direction you are anticipating the market will go. So if it's green, then you are anticipating that it's a sell, which means the price is going to be dropping, to this. Well, in this case, I believe it will drop this much today. If it doesn't, well, fine. At least we still got direction right and got some pips out of it. The stop loss, on the other hand, the stop loss on the red box, on the other hand, or the red part of the box, on the other hand, basically, tells us, or creates for us a stop loss zone, which basically means if you entered here for a sell, it's meant to go down, but if it goes up, by the time it goes all the way and gets to the top there, you want to be out of the trade. Well, it's going to take you out of the trade if you did, select a stop loss price. Okay. Now, with the broken yellow lines basically, tells you where I am getting into a trade. So whenever you see my chart and you see broken yellow broken lines, it means I got in there, or I'm hoping to get in there. So when I posted the signal today, when I posted the chart today, this was where I entered. This was the only broken line there, but it pulled back, during the course of the morning, and I was looking to enter again here, because sometimes I do, take multiple positions, maybe 2, 3 or more, and I was looking to enter the trade here again for another sell, but good enough for me. It did not, well, good enough or not too good enough, because I could have made some more money. It did not go that far, and it basically came down, and you can see it's still dropping. So that would have been a good place to enter the price again. I mean, I suppose in a sense, other traders would enter at different places, but that's where I would have been willing to enter some more. I also did say, guys, that there are times when, I get into trades, and once it begins to push in my direction, in my desired direction, in this case, pushing downward, I could enter again, with, more trades. I mean, I could have entered here, or so. It just depends on, how much, how much was the word now? I can't even think of the word. It depends on how much, the probability, I think the trade has of going further down. So that's basically, what it is. I mean, so this is one of the trades, well, this is the only trade I've taken today. But, during the course of the week, we have been watching, we took other trades during the course of the week. If my computer would let us see it. Like I say, I think I think it's got to do with not the bandwidth. I mean, I've got enough bandwidth here. I suppose maybe there's something wrong I need to look into. Oh, the trade we've been looking at this week. We got in this trade, but you can see, there was you can see there was consolidation here before it went back up. But the overall direction we are, hoping for this trade is that it would continue down. So that's another one. I think I'll just leave it at this one. I don't want the computer to freeze again. So I'll leave it on this one since we've been there lately. You can see, beautiful guys, it's a beautiful trade. So for all those who got into this trade today, I do trust you have locked in profit, and you are indeed going to give us a like on this video. Obviously, like I always say, whenever you come to, you have a live session with me like so, you want to be clicking on the like button. Hey, you want to encourage your man here. You want to encourage me to do more of such videos. But for those who are watching for the first time, yes, you want to also give us a like, and we'll be able to give you a lot more value even as you join us. But feel free to join our Telegram community, guys. You want to join our Telegram community. Thank you. I can see the likes are coming in. Join our Telegram community if you're not already part of it, for more of such signals. Like I always say, I do give, a couple of signals during the course of the day, the trading day that is, and at other times, I give a lot. I call them bonanza week or bonanza month. I think January was a bonanza month, whereby it was just a flood. It was a flood of signals, in January. But hey, guys, some good news. If you check the Telegram group, you will see our results there. We post, trades like this. We also post, trade ideas. Usually the harmonic patterns. But I'm going to start including head and shoulder patterns now, all marked up and drawn up and all that. But the good news is, guys, I've always posted, our results there for our manual trades. But what I'm going to begin to do now is to also make available to you our robot. Well, it's not going to be free. It's going to come at a small charge, but you'll be amazed how ridiculously low that amount is going to be. The thing is, we are making it so low because we know there are lots of people out there, because of the obviously, people from different parts of the world. Not everybody necessarily has a job, even those in the Western world who you would think can afford it. We are making this cheap so it's affordable to all. Whether you are in the West or in a developing nation, we want you to be able to afford this. So do plug into our Telegram and stay tuned. I'll be giving you more announcement about this, next week. The robot basically we are making available to you wins over 85% of the time. Now, I know that's a big claim. But that is simply the truth. That is basically what it is. So what I am going to be doing is I'll be telling you some more during the course of next week how you could gain access to it. The robot trades hands-free, is fully automated, which basically means you don't have to do any trading whatsoever. Just plug it in and let it do the trading for you. Okay, guys, that's it for this session. I thought I'll quickly just, show you this and have a nice weekend. Like I say, if you're not part of the Telegram group, join the Telegram group for all the goodies and free resources and, some level of mentorship which I provide. God bless you and speak to you soon. Whee! Yes.